Hi, I'm Nikki, and today we're going to be teaching in the whiteboard, on my smartboard, and a clear touch display.
All right, I've got a whiteboard here. I like that one.
Perfect.
Okay.
Let's try video. This one's good.
Oh, I like. An activity, let's go here.
This one's a good one to bring in. Oh, I guess I can't.
You may want to download first.
Okay. Download image. And now we can bring it back.
So let's make some change.
Okay, let's count that.
$1.69, $1.70, $1.75, and $2. All right, good job.
Okay, and we'll search again, US coins. Right. Looks like a good one. There's an ad.
Oh,
Let's just go back and make an activity for them to practice. So make a new slide. And then let's add a penny. Can we close that? Okay. Download the image. And a dime. And lastly, a quarter. Now that we have all of those, let's make them objects. Okay, we'll add that. And then again. Great. Add another. And our penny. Okay.
okay, all right. Oh,
And your pen tool. Okay. Make them
oh, I
one.
want to duplicate them. That's right.
And I have to clone it again. Okay.